Hello there. Today I want to show you a new stitch, lovely and simple, referred to as mock or false cable. It's a very simple stitch, gives a lovely finish, definitely something I'm going to be using in the very near future. Here we have an example of a standard cable, taking stitches, halving the strip, taking some from one side to the other by placing them behind or in front, depending on which way you want to turn. And you can see I've gone from left to right, right to left. I think that was the way around. This one, however, the false or mock cable doesn't involve moving stitches on and off the needle. It's very straightforward. Again, in rows, and I've just shown that I've introduced it halfway up here just to show the difference. And an effect that you can put in. You could have a row of this for a short period. It's really, the world is your oyster. So here we go. It's worked over 2 stitches. And I knit into the back of the second stitch, leaving the 2 stitches on into the front of the first stitch, and then take them off. And I've made my false cable. Do it again. Into the back of the second stitch, knit it, but leave the stitches on your left hand needle. Knit into the front of the first stitch. My 2 new stitches are on the right hand needle, and I now take the old ones off the left. Purl along to the next section and 2 stitches into the back of the second stitch on the left hand needle, knit it, leave both stitches on the left hand needle, into the front of the first stitch, both new stitches on the right hand, slip off the old ones, and there you are with a lovely, very simple to do false cable. Into the back, into the front, slip. And you can see how very simple that is to do. Lovely effect. Not quite the same as a full-blown cable, but still very interesting. On the reverse side, where just as with a standard cable, you purl your cable because it was knitted on the front, you knit your sections between the cables because they were purled on the front, so you're just going in from the other side. So here I am with the purled section on the front, and I'm knitting them. I now come to my false cable. It was knitted on the front. I'm going to purl on the back. It's just the 2 stitches, and it's that simple. Panel on the front that divides my cabling, just purl that mock cable, false cable, there you go. And again, the mock cable is just purled. Here you can see where I've started it after a few rows. I'm going to knit the purl section and purl my knitted section, and there we go. I'll show you from the front. Very neat, very quick form of cable. You've basically twisted 2 stitches as you would a cable, but it means you don't need a cable needle. It's very effective, very simple to do. You could have them closer together or further apart, depending on the effect you want to achieve. It gives you the same 3D point of interest. A lovely, easy stitch to add some detail. I hope you enjoyed playing with that, or me playing with it, and that you will enjoy playing with it in the future. Thank you.